Hey guys, and welcome back to another monthly favourites. Where did April go? I'm actually not sad about the fact that it's now spring. I'm so excited, and it feels like the last couple of weeks have actually been like, the weather is like lifting, the restrictions are lifting, and it all just feels positive and sunny. And I want to start off this video by acknowledging the fact that I've been pretty absent off YouTube for the last month. I just haven't been in the mood to film, or haven't been inspired with content, or really had much to talk about, much to tell you about. I haven't wanted to vlog. I've been in a bit of a down space, to be really honest, and I'm so happy that everything seems to be kind of on the up now, and I feel like I've got loads of videos planned, I've got loads of exciting things in life in general, or more exciting things planned. So yeah, just positive vibes. April favourites, here we go. It's gonna be kind of short this time because I've only got one makeup product, 2 hair products, 2 skincare products, and TV show. I'm gonna start off with the makeup, and I actually mentioned this in my foundation video which went up last week, which I'm hoping not many of you missed because there was an issue with publishing that video, which meant that it didn't get published into my subscriptions for like 5 hours after I posted. Anyway, I posted the social, and the video publishing like tool had an error, so it was unlisted. Annoying. If you haven't already seen my top foundations video that I uploaded last week, please go and check it out, because there are 7 really good foundations, this being one of them. This is the Fenty Beauty Easy Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I've been using this pretty much every single day since I got it. The shade I wear is 5. There are 25 shades. I believe there's normally 50 shades in the Fenty range, but with this there's only 25 because it's less high coverage. It's kind of, I think it's a bit more like flexible in terms of, you know, 2 different shades would probably be fine with the same shade because it's not entirely opaque. I wear shade 5. I love this stuff. It's so natural looking. It's really hydrating. It's really easy to blend. It's just super quick and easy, and if you want something that's like a go-to, wham bam, done. The one downside, it doesn't have SPF. I never use my foundation as my SPF anyway. I always wear SPF as well as foundation, but I kind of like it in a foundation because I put my SPF on before my makeup, and it feels like another level of like a little bit of SPF is always a good thing. You can always use like a setting spray SPF over the top, but they're not always the best on top of makeup, etc, etc. Like, I personally like having SPF in my foundation. So that's the one downside, but apart from that, happy days. This is so good, really fresh and easy, and just really nice. The packaging is also dinky. It's 32 ml, weirdly, but the actual shape of it, and it's squeezy, like it's soft and quite ergonomic in your hand, like it feels nice to hold, and it's dinky, so if you are chucking it in a makeup bag or handbag, it's quite little, and I like that. I don't like chunky, heavy foundation bottles. As nice as they are and as pretty as they look on a table, I always keep everything in a drawer, and it's just so much more convenient if it's unbreakable, lightweight, and just compact. In terms of skincare, I've got 2 skincare favorites this month. One of them is a cleanser from Elemis, and this is not normally my favorite thing. I know I had a cleanser in last month's favorites, and I'm still using that, the Algenist Cleansing Balm. It's not actually called, it's called like the, what is it called? It's called the Genius Cleanser? Either way, the Algenist Cleansing Balm in the tube is still amazing, and I use that at night. But in the morning, I've been using this in the shower, and this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. So this is like a foaming gel cleanser, but it's not like really foamy. It's like a smooth lather. Like I said, I use this in the morning, I use it in the shower. It's just really, like the name suggests, it's energizing. It's really like refreshing and cooling on the skin. It feels so nice, and my skin is just really liking it. My skin looks really nice after using it, and just feels really refreshed and ready for the day. So I've been using this in the morning and really liking it, alongside my Algenist like super rich one in the evening, which genuinely I can't sing the praises of that cleanser enough. It is, my skin after using it looks unreal, and it is just so nice. And the other product that I've also fallen in love with is kind of to sit alongside that, is the Algenist Genius Sleeping Collagen. Okay, this is an intensely rich night cream, unlike the one that I've also been using at the moment, which is the Bare Minerals Ageless one, which is a lightweight cream. The Ageless one is actually not exclusively a night cream. I just use it at night, and it doesn't have SPF in it. This is exclusively a night cream. It is rich, it is heavy, it is kind of oily, but it's not like using an oil, and it's not greasy. Like, it doesn't feel yucky on your skin, and it's not oil, it's just super, super rich. So you can see I've been using this for a little while now actually, and my skin drinks it up. If you have dehydrated skin, your skin will love this. It's like, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but it's like it's like a balm texture. Like, it really is thick, and then when you put it on, I'm gonna get a little bit, you can see it's like, it's intense. Like, if you have oily skin, this probably wouldn't be your bag, but it is so intense. And then when you put it on, it almost goes into a kind of, it's not quite an oil, but it is oily in texture. It's so, so rich, and it sits on your skin. So when you apply it, it sits on your skin and you go to bed, and I swear it takes probably all night for your skin to drink it up. It is intense, but so hydrating. Like, even look at my hand compared to this hand now. It's like so smoothing, really, really rich, and my skin has been loving it in terms of hydration. So, so nice. For hair care, I've got two favorites this month. Two fantastic discoveries, especially if you have dry, frizzy hair, like me. The first one is the new Olaplex mask, and I mentioned this in a vlog. Actually, I don't know if that's going up before this video or not. I'm confused. If it's not, I mention it in a vlog either before or after this video. This is the number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I am so lazy with hair masks. Unless they're really good, I'm not using them. This is really good. It smells out of this world delicious. I can't even express to you, like, it smells like, you know, Yankee candles, Christmas candles. If they do like a sweeter one, it smells like that. Like almost like apple cider candle. It's a weird smell for a hair mask. It's kind of a seasonal smell, like, but I love it. It smells so good. And not like the other Olaplex. As far as I'm aware, like, I've never actively noticed the other Olaplex products smelling at all, let alone smelling amazing. And I feel like if they smelled like this, I would have noticed. Maybe not, maybe I'm going crazy. It's an intense moisture mask. You leave it on for 10 minutes, so it works quite well. The other Olaplex mask you leave on for longer, and it's more of a, it's kind of like you put it on before you shampoo, so it's more of an added step rather than adding in as a conditioner. Whereas this mask is more like a traditional hair mask, so you kind of substitute it for your conditioner, at least I do. So I shampoo my hair first, leave my hair wet, put it in, then either get out of the shower, do a few other things, get back in, or stay in the shower, shave your legs, wash your body, wash your face, sing, I don't know, whatever else you're gonna do in the shower. Do that, 10 minutes later, wash it off. Dear God, it's so good, so hydrating. My hair feels like just so nice. I did just get it cut a couple of weeks ago as well when salons reopened, so I feel like the ends are like happy days. But this also makes it feel so good. And then lastly, on the product front, Living Proof Instant Defrizzer. You guys might know, I hate saying like you guys know, like as if you follow every single video ever. If you do follow every single video ever, you know, but you might not know. I'm a massive fan of this brand. Their dry shampoo is the best. Full stop. The best I've ever tried. So good. And this is, I'm just gonna like rub that hair mask into the back of my hand so it doesn't go all over my shirt. This is their leave-in conditioner, not leave-in conditioner, dry conditioner, which, to be honest, I got sent this. This is like a miniature size one. You can buy this size. I got sent this months ago. I don't even know when. I've worked with them a few times. They've sent me loads of products over the years. I got this, thought, oh, that looks interesting. Threw it in my drawer and then haven't even seen it since then. The other day, I was digging through looking for a hair oil to put on River's hair, which is crazy curly frizzy, really frizzy in the mornings, especially if you brush it dry. It's like a puff of smoke. So I was looking for some oil to kind of condition and style River's hair. And I came across this instant defrizzer. I was like, that's what I need. Sprayed it on River's hair. I was like, oh my God, this works. This actually works. And it's amazing. And then since then I've started using it on my hair and it is so nice. Even when you don't need defrizz, it's just like a little on the ends, like a little extra something. That, I mean, don't breathe it in, doesn't taste great. That combined with this, if you've got dry frizzy hair, just the best. Like smooth, sleek, happy. Like I said, I've been using this on River's hair as well. If you have curly hair, I feel this is so good. If you have nice curls, but then like a top layer of frizz, which is what Riv has, and I know a lot of curly girls have that vibe, you know, like the top layer doesn't behave like the bottom. This is so nice, it's just instant taming. Instant, so good, love it. That's it for the product front. I've got one TV show that I have been obsessed with, and Mike has also enjoyed it as much as me, which is super, super, super rare. It is Snowpiercer. Now, you guys might have been recommended this on Netflix by your like Netflix algorithm recently. I know I got like fed it so many times. I watched the trailer and I was like, no. And it's not, this kind of thing is my thing. I love dystopian, like futuristic kind of, you know, dramas. I love a little bit of science fiction, and it ticks all of those boxes. The cast is great. It's got Sean Bean in it. He's amazing in everything, but he's really, really good in this as well. He's actually, yeah, I'm not gonna ruin anything, but he's not really in season 1. Anyway, saw the trailer for this, thought that looks a bit lame. Like I should be into it, but I'm not. And then I was recommended to watch it by Victoria from In the Fro. She was like, it looks lame on the outset, but it's so, so good. Get into it. And it is amazing. Like, genuinely, the first couple of episodes, you're a bit like, really? I'm not so sure about this. Then it gets good. Season 2, it gets insanely good. So good. So, like, just really gripping. It's the kind of show that you don't want to stop watching at night, so you'll stay up until, like, 1 in the morning and then regret it the next day. Like, that's basically what we've done for the last week. But so good. Season 2 is just incredible, and it ends, you're like, no, I want to know what happens. It's just really, really good, and I really recommend it if you're looking for something good to watch, which I know a lot of people are at the moment, because I feel like it's got to that stage where of like lockdown, there's not as much stuff coming back because of COVID. So like release wise, it's like, come on, release more things, release more things. I feel like I want to watch the last like 3 episodes again. It was that good. I'm gonna stop like telling you now, because if you want to watch it, I feel like I've sold it to you enough. Go watch it if you're into that kind of thing. And that is it. That's it for my April favorites. Some good ones. Like, I feel like a small selection, but they're all very, very good. As per usual, I will link everything, and I hope to see you very soon. Like I said in the beginning, I'm feeling so much more positive like now. This week, last week have just been like a complete turning point for me in terms of feeling a bit more inspired, and just, I'm gonna be making more content. Come back soon, come back and watch, and I will see you next time. Bye.